Today I'm reviewing the Ordinary Niacinamide Face and Body Emulsion. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. If you want to help support the channel, check out the links below. Subscribe to my videos, subscribe to my newsletter, like, share the video, comment, do all that good stuff. So, okay, so the Ordinary has come out with a handful of new products. They are owned by Estee Lauder now, so they're releasing some new products. So I reviewed their moisturizer. I didn't pick up the salicylic body serum. And then I picked this one up. So, okay. So they call this a lightweight emulsion for face and body to help even the appearance of skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots. And before you pick this up, if you are going to plan to use it over your entire body, just note it is not a large size bottle. So it just depends where your dark spots are. Think about it. There's other body products that are going to be much larger size for brightening. Maybe have some actives and things like that in there. So just think about all of it. Sorry if there's snoring, because he's snoring, but he wouldn't be in the video. I don't know. Kind of annoying. So, okay, on to my first criteria, which is packaging. We've got an opaque pump bottle. This pump I was actually able to open myself for once, thankfully. I like that. So no issues with that. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. And it has no scent and no fragrance ingredients, so it's pretty plain, so you won't notice any fragrance, which is nice. The manufacturing location for this one is Canada, so no issues with that. Ease of use, so it's got kind of a gel serum texture to it. Did I maybe this is it. Hang on. Maybe I have to go the other way. Huh. God, I was just using it. There we go. Okay. So you can see it. It's got kind of a gel serum texture to it, which, interestingly enough, if you're planning to use this kind of like a body moisturizer, it's not hydrating enough for that. Which, yeah, so if your skin is dry, you're probably going to have to use something over this. If your skin doesn't get to be super dry, maybe you can just go with this and it won't be any issue. But yeah, so nice texture to it. Certainly can use it face, body. They recommend using it face, neck, chest, and arms, which are typically the spots where you notice hyperpigmentation and dark spots the most. Maybe legs a little bit, but yeah, certainly my arms have dark spots and freckles and things like that. So they say this is the way to get rid of those, which, yeah, I'll talk about the performance in a second. So absorbs quickly, sets to kind of a radiant finish, but feels nice, but not hydrating enough on its own for body, not hydrating enough on its own for face. If you're going to use it on your face, use it after cleansing and toning, but before other thicker moisturizers. Yeah, so, okay. So next up is the beneficial ingredients in here. We've got ethyl macadamiate, which is a fatty acid made with macadamia nuts for hydrating the skin. We've got niacinamide, 5%, anti-acne, skin brightening ingredient. We've got Sphingomonas ferment extract. I should have just put the actual name of it. It's an anti-aging and berry repairing plant extract. And then we've got vitamin E, which is an antioxidant hydrating ingredient. So if this is really meant to brighten skin, most of us at this point for brightening our face have probably already tried other things. Or we've probably tried something with niacinamide in there, because nowadays niacinamide is in everything. We probably tried things with more than 5% niacinamide. So if this is really meant to be brightening, I think it would have been nice if they would have included maybe an additional ingredient like licorice root or arbutin or kojic acid or tranexamic acid or something. But when they just went with one ingredient, which has kind of been a star of the show lately anyway, it's kind of uninspiring. So I wasn't really over the moon with the ingredient list. Although if you have sensitive skin and you're sensitive to a lot of ingredients, that could be a pro. It's kind of the Ordinary's game, you know what I mean? To make kind of a one-note product and make it affordable. But if they would have just called this an emulsion or a moisturizer, it'd be one thing. But to say it's for brightening, I'm not severely impressed. And there are better products out there. One of them is Topicals Faded Mist. So they've got the Topicals Faded Cream, which most people have used. This is a mist, which is meant to be used on the body. And this one has additional beneficial ingredients. It's got a lot more beneficial ingredients than this one. And I think the amount is the same, too. Yeah, they both have the same amount, 3.4 ounces. This one contains kojic acid, tranexamic acid, alpha-arbutin. It also contains niacinamide, licorice root, glycolic acid. It's just, and it's a little bit more expensive, but in the long run, I think if you're really looking for real results, this might be where you're going to have to land. But anyway, okay. In terms of animal testing, the ordinary product is vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. I like Ike. He just opened up the door, so he's letting all the warm air out. It's cold down here. That's his favorite thing, to bust into the bathroom when you're taking a shower, and then he pulls the shower curtain all the way open with his nose. So it's like, hey, Ike, it was already freezing in here to begin with, and now you just open the shower curtain, and now I'm really cold. But then he gets what he wants, attention. I guess. I don't know how Doc could get more attention than Ike, though. Really. Anyway. Okay. Okay, in terms of performance, I've totally taken this off track. Okay. I'm trying on the performance. It's a nice, simple moisturizer. Probably will help brighten dark spots for some people, but my hyperpigmentation, especially on my face from melasma and very stubborn, this didn't even do anything other than moisturize the skin, which is nice. But, yeah. So for what it promises to help fade the look of dark spots, for a more even looking skin tone, it will help a little bit, as much as niacinamide as a main ingredient can help. But yeah, you're going to have probably better results with something like the Topicals. I'll link to the Topicals below. It's just overall got more brightening ingredients. Yeah, so I didn't love it. I wasn't impressed with it. It's not a bad product, but for what it promises, it just doesn't quite deliver. It's bland, I guess, is the best word I can use to describe it. But if you have very sensitive skin that's reactive, that might be a good thing. So, okay, for acne-prone skin, there's only vitamin E of note, so no issues with that. In terms of the price, so this is a full-size 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, and retails for $14. Which is cheaper than the Topicals, although the mist of this will help you use a little bit less quickly than the ordinary, especially if you're going to use this all over your body. It's going to go fast. So then last but not least is the it factor. Part of me feels like this product was a cash grab from Estee Lauder and not really inspired. I don't feel like the last few releases they've come out with have really been inspired. I feel like they've been lackluster and basic and bland. And there's nothing wrong with that for a lot of things. But for very stubborn hyperpigmentation and dark spots, it's just not where it's at. And a lot of body lotions already contain niacinamide, so you've probably already been using something similar to this. Yeah, but if you have sensitive skin, it might be worth it. So let's see. For other dupes and alternatives, we've got the Selfless by Hyram Niacinamide Barrier Support Moisturizer. We've got the CeraVe Ultra Light Moisturizing Gel. And the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Ultra Night Moisturizer. And the Topicals isn't a dupe because it's above and beyond. But it's a good alternative. Might not be a dupe because it's better as an alternative. And it's not very similar. But it contains the main brightening ingredient here. And a bunch of other ones. So anyway, I don't think I reviewed this, so if you guys want me to review it, let me know, and I certainly can. So, anyway, okay, so with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 7. Again, average. Yeah, I don't know. It's been an average week. So, I guess I'd rather have average than terrible. But then again, I'd rather have a strong feeling about something. I want to either strongly love it, or strongly hate it, or if it's just in the middle, it's just in the middle. So, yeah. Anyway, interested hearing from you guys. Maybe there's some of you that love this, and there's nothing wrong with that. So if you did, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.